a black canvas, and I've put a very thin coat of liquid clear on. Some alizarin crimson first, just some neat alizarin crimson. I'm going to put this all over here, somewhere like this. And then up the top I'm going to add a little bit of red to it, I think. So let's just take a pile of that and put it in with this red here. So it makes a bit of a brighter alizarin crimson. So you should be able to see this a bit more on canvas. There we go. Look at that. Let's think about this. We'll go somewhere down here. So yeah, we've got alizarin crimson here, alizarin crimson here, and then alizarin crimson and a little touch of red, just something different. So we've got some phthalo blue. And we're going to put this all around here. Blend them two together sort of midway there. Look what I've got here, I've got an old paint lid. So I'm going to do a portal. I'm going to get some white out and the fan brush. So let's go for it and see what happens. Let's go, I think, something like that. Well, I've got to keep this really still now. And I'm just going to put this paint all the way around, hoping that I get it all. Well, I think I've got it all, let's see. Okay, let's do this. Let's just pull this out, this colour. We're going to come down to about, I'm going to go down to about there at the moment. Come over here. Just pull this colour through. The more you blend this, the more kind of wicked it looks, to be honest. Come down here. There we go. Doesn't matter if I get any in there, you can see there's bits in there, it just doesn't matter because we can go over them sort of things. Okay, and we're going to pull this way, back up into the crimson. Look at that. Beautiful. The moon or something up here. Just make a little sort of bright spot there. And we'll do something like this. We have a moon. Very lightly, I mean it's so light, I couldn't even tell you. Let's go. There we go. Look at that. Got a nice little cloud going on there. There we go. That's kind of nice, I think. I'm going to take this off here, this black, put this all together, knock up this colour. Nice dollop. So let's do some trees that live here. There we go. Let's put some mist that lives all the way across here. I'm going to blend this out again. Just a mist in front of that tree. It's crazy. There's some smaller portals on my website, along with I think there's 180 paintings and prints on my website. Visualfusions.co.uk. It's down here. If you buy anything from the UK, it's free postage. Worldwide, there is a cost for shipping, but they're all good prices. Just a little waterfall. Just create a little sort of river. Where does it come? Maybe it sort of comes around here. And then sort of down towards us. We'll go somewhere about there to begin with. going into the blue now, which looks quite nice. Like I say, we're going to have a few trees and stuff there anyway. Sort of bush that lives in front of the waterfall there. I'm going to put a little rock there, I think that's quite a little good place. We'll just tap him in right through there. And we're going to go up today. There we go. All that dark colour. I'm going to bring him all the way down here. I'm bending the brush up today, so they're going up instead of sort of down. This one's going to come out as well. We'll have one that lives there. Here, we'll just put all these little twigs and stuff here. Look at that. Just all them little things coming here and there. Pull this down. This just goes right in front of that waterfall. You can play around with the feet down here of the tree. Look, put some little roots going down. And a few highlights here and there. It comes around there, doesn't it? And then flows, and then we're gonna change this as well, because I'm gonna bring up the colour. Just a waterfall that comes down. Might even put some mist at the bottom. Right, this is where it changes. Just need to flow over the top there a little bit. Get rid of some of that colour from the portal. All these little things. There we go, look. And then it comes down. Pouring out of the water. There you go, just pouring out there now. Down the bottom, look. Just change the colour of that a little bit. Maybe there's a few over there. I like that little bit of dark there, just a few little taps of white. Comes around there. There you go, look at that. We'll do some mist. We'll do some circles rather than some splashes. There we go, look at that. Okay, let's go. Just blend all that out. Oh yeah. If there's something satisfying, what is? You know? Bit of this colour over here. I'm going to use some of that bluish and pink, and we can go down here and just put some little strands of highlights on here. We'll put that sort of colour on that side, I think. Pinkish sort of colour, just very light though. There we go. That's a nice little tree, that, isn't it? Ain't bad at all. Maybe we'll just touch some little things on the side of this as well. There we go. That lives here. That highlight colour. You've got another little sort of tree over there growing. So this is called Peaceful Portal. This is painting number 275. I can't believe I've done 275 paintings. That's just mad. There's my signature. There we go, guys. There is, what's it called? Oh yeah, Peaceful Portal.